What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. I'm in the Allsortzz car, which is the Honda Civic Type R. This is the FN2 version, and in today's video we're going to head over to the garage to see the progress on my Nissan Pulsar GTI-R. Now, if you didn't know, I gave the car in to get a full body respray. I was only going to do the back arches, but I thought, you know what, let's just get it all done. I have done a few videos on the car. I've done a playlist. If you haven't checked it, make sure you check the playlist out. As always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video. You'll actually be notified. Let me spin the camera around. Let me show you my Allsortzz car. Weather is lovely, so I thought, why not get out the Type R with my Allsortzz number plate on and head over to the garage. So if you haven't seen the playlist on this car, make sure you check it out. We bought this from the auction and we did a few things to it as well to get it through MOT. But luckily it's passed straight away with fixing one, I think, the rear subframe. But overall it's a decent car, and we'll be taking this on a road trip as well, the Allsortzz Europe road trip. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you subscribe. Anyways, enough with the chit chat, so let's get in the car and let's head over to the garage to see my Nissan Pulsar GTI-R. Oh yeah, it's here. This one, yeah. So here it is, people. But check this out. I just wanted to show you the rear arches, because if you've seen it last time, it had all red there, and it just didn't look good. Excuse the dog. But if you look at it now, it looks much better. Not only that, it's fixed the little marks on the side skirts. Put the side skirts on. That's the security dog there. He's took the indicator out because I've actually got clear indicators that need to go on it. Sorted the back bumper out as well. Had a few marks there all the way. And he's put the uncut bumper on. Look how decent that looks. I hopefully he's actually kept the toe cap from the previous bumper. And let me show you this side. That's what I just took out there. Fixed this part here. Shut up! Yeah, look at this side. Look at this side. The rear arches actually are looking sick. Wicked. Obviously all the cars are going to get done as well. All the cars are going to get done from the sides to the doors, rear bumpers. Yeah, it's looking good, peeps. It's looking good. It's looking good. I definitely like this front bumper. That uncut bumper was definitely a good decision. Definitely. And he's even put the mesh on from the other one, which is good. Oh, can't wait for this to be done. That's the rear bumper. Dog's shut up now, which is good. Right, I do apologise for the dog in the background, but yeah, that is the Pulsar GTI-R. I hope you enjoyed this video, people. I can't wait for this car to get done. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and once this is done, we're going to start working on performance now after this bodywork, because that was the major thing with this car, the rust. That's all been sorted. Once it's sprayed up, we're going to change the wheels, suspension, the front bumper's been put on as well, the uncut one, so it's actually looking good. So make sure you like and follow, and I'll see you for the next video where we're going to pick it up and do some more modifications to make this car looking tip top. Make sure you like and follow. I'll see you again for another video.